Okay, the way that I have this set up is the microphone is coming into mic 16, which runs to module 16, and module 16 is routed out of bus 15 and 16, out to bus 15 and 16, I'm sorry, and bus 15 and 16 are in fact routed out of the FireWire 29 and 30. Okay, and you can see the project is set at 44.1. When we come up here and look at the FireWire control panel, it is 44.1 with 32 in, 32 out. The inputs are in fact set at 29 and 30, and the outputs I run at 31 and 32. So we will close that up, come down here, open up my Windows Sounds, playback devices, go into the properties, and you can see that in fact it is set at the 24-bit 44.1. Run a test. Speakers always work fine. In the recording tab, you can see that I get audio. That's not a problem. So now I'm going to go ahead and switch this over to 96, following those tricky directions. Right click here, do the properties, go into the advanced, and from the drop down choose 24-bit 96. Then we're going to move on over to the DM. And here we're going to change this to 96. Go through the reboot. And then set the internal to 96. And we are in 96K. Come back up here. Click apply. We can run a test. Speakers work just fine. Come over into the recording tab, and I do not get a signal. I can pop, cycle, click back and forth between these two tabs, and as you can see, I'm just not getting a signal still. If I open up, well, I will open up the FireWire panel, sorry about that, and you can see that the inputs are set at 2930 and the outputs are set at 31 and 32. Still 96K, 32 in, 32 out. Now, I'll just tab back a couple times here to show no signal still. Now we'll go ahead and set this back to 44.1, and everything will work fine. Come on over here, 44.1, go through the reboot. Set the internal to 44.1. Come on back over here, go into our properties, click advanced, and set this at 24-bit 44.1. Apply. Speakers work fine. Recording device, the microphone is back to receiving an input. I do not know what I'm missing here, but hopefully somebody will notice what it is and inform me, because this has been a long time coming. I appreciate all the help, and thank you, Redbus.